Hi, my name is Lucia. I'm a technology consultant at Continuous Technologies. This is the 20th video in the Alteryx Tips and Tricks series in which we help you make your workflow reach its full potential. In this video, we will be talking about the XML view that you can view on your Alteryx workflow. So every Alteryx workflow is built on XML view on the back end, and you can view that in the configuration pane on your canvas. So I have this set up that I'm able to view this, but if you don't have this set up, you'll have to go through the options and set that up. Now, something to note with the XML, you can go through and edit this, but really be careful because it can be modified without the GUI. So just keep that in mind when you're going through and editing. Make sure you're doing everything correct. So to get this XML view onto your configuration pane, you're going to go to Options, User Settings, Edit User Settings. And then in the advanced settings that show up here, when it does show up here, you can go through and choose Display XML in Properties window. So when you select this box, you should be able to see it in your workflow configuration.